Fifth grade disciplinary core ideas, ESS2A, Earth materials and systems. Earth's major systems are the geosphere, the hydrosphere, the atmosphere, and the biosphere. These systems interact in multiple ways to affect Earth's surface materials and processes. The ocean supports a variety of ecosystems and organisms, shapes landforms, and influences climate. Winds and clouds in the atmosphere interact with the landforms to determine patterns of weather. ESS2C, the roles of water and Earth's surface processes. Nearly all of Earth's available water is in the ocean. Most fresh water is in glaciers or underground. Only a tiny fraction is in streams, lakes, wetlands, and the atmosphere. In this example or this picture, we see Earth systems, different spheres. It tells you what it includes is included in the spheres. It shows you the actual landforms and how the landforms and parts of the Earth interact with the atmosphere, the biosphere, geosphere, and hydrosphere.